welcome back to the Nemesis Gear Steampunked Out channel. We're back in the Knox Hollow Woodshop, and we're going to do another wand for you today. This is going to be a quick cherry wand, and I'm just not going to talk as much in this one. I'm just going to let you watch, and I'll interject a few things here and there. This will be our last video for a little while. We're getting ready to do some shows here at the end of March, so I've only got about a month, and thinking about doing kind of a video talking about what I do to get ready for a show. So if you're interested in that, do let me know in the comments. And anyway, let's get into this wand video. As you can see here, the reason that I put this in the chuck, see how much flexing is going on there. And I did want to kind of talk about this just a little bit, because that flexing is the reason that I do the ones the way I do with this chuck, and I put the jaws on there instead of the spur drive so that I can feed that wand up in there, and that leaves less of the wood sticking out to cause that flexing that I showed there. Once we have the shaft all the way worked down and we've got that fed into the chuck as much as possible, then it's just a matter of doing the handle and getting that kind of shaped out, marked out, and then we'll do the shaping on the handle. I think cherry is just kind of a nice all-purpose wood. It's not too hard, it's not too soft, and it cuts pretty easy. It reacts some to the ebonizing fluid. I'm going to do that here in a moment too. And of course, when we use that, we are going to do this wire friction burn. It's going to help control where that ebonizing fluid travels up the grains of the wood here. So we'll put those in. And as usual, we've edited out a lot of sanding. I think probably at least half of the time that I spend on the wands is just running through the different grades of sandpaper. All right, that ebonizing fluid goes on nice. We'll let it dry, and then we'll do our final sanding and shaping. Then we'll get this oiled and waxed, and the wand will be done. This one was pretty straightforward, pretty quick. Nice little cherry wand. And as you can see here, this is how it finally turned out with this is the oil finish. And once we get the wax on it, I'll get this final picture up for you with the final wax finish on it. And yeah, this one turned out really nice. It's pretty basic. We didn't do any fancy work on it, but a lot of times just a good basic one like this is really what people are looking for. So this will go into our stock, and we'll take it to the shows, or obviously we have it on our Etsy shop as well, nemesisgear.etsy.com. But if you like seeing these, then please give me a thumbs up. It really helps out, and subscribe to the channel. You can see more videos coming and get notified when those come out. But we appreciate you watching, and we will catch you on the next video.